What's in your 2 cups?
I have water and I have milk.
Why the milk?
Because milk is supposed to help with the burning. So.
Why do you think it's going to be burning?
I just assume.
Because of videos?
Yeah.
I hate to be a witness to this.
Okay. Y'all ready? You ready?
Tears. I feel like you need to stop breathing. I'm going to get humming mover. And you can't drink anything. You lost. You can't. You're not supposed to drink anything. You're not supposed to drink anything. Are you? Come on, get it. What's the problem? Is it burning? Did you get it out?
I had all of it down and it came up.
Oh gosh. Is the milk helping? FYI, if you do the cinnamon challenge, use milk instead of water. But we have to say to everyone watching this.
That right there.
Sign it out.